Hey guys, it's Vicky at Tri-State RV, and today we're taking a look at the XLR Micro Boost 18LR-LE. So on the front of the unit, you do have quite a bit of pass-through storage, and this is a toy hauler, so the ramp does come down. I just haven't pulled it down. You do have an outdoor entertainment system along with an electric awning that has LED lights on the outside. Inside, we'll start with the bedroom. This does double as your living space as well. So you've got your seating space. This folds down into a queen size bed. You've got some closet space over there to the left, along with a large window. And what's great is your fireplace is right next to the bed, so it keeps you warm on those cold winter nights. In your bathroom, you do have a large stand-up shower and your toilet. And in the kitchen space, you do have the XLR Micro Boost refrigerator by Norcold, the Greystone microwave, a 2-burner Suburban stovetop, a huge single basin sink, tons of cabinet space, a little dinette area. Your ramp does fold down either into a ramp or a patio, so you can fold this mesh screen out to make a patio deck. And then you've got a huge panoramic window right here, and your tie downs come all the way up to here. Come out and see us, Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois.